Welcome to our Brussels developing studio. I'm working on the MiniMad code, and here I'm presenting a video wall composed of 28 synchronized MiniMads. We built this setup as a proof of concept for the MiniMad synchronization. In MadMapper, we click on File, New Project using Video Wall Template. We have a setup of 7x4 screens, each one displaying a custom resolution of 1024 by 820 pixels. We set up the bezel by inputting the size of one screen's display, which is 38 by 30 centimeters, and the space between the displays, which is 3 centimeters horizontally and 9 centimeters vertically. Finally, we click Create to finish the project setup. We can see that MadMapper created 28 projectors that correspond to our 28 screens, respectively named A1 to D7. It also created one full-size quad for each screen. Now let's select those 28 quads, import our video file, and assign it to them all. Finally, click File, Export Video Mapping to MiniMad, insert the SD card of the MiniMad that corresponds to screen A1, and click Export. Once the export is finished, the SD card is automatically ejected, and we click Yes to switch to the next screen, A2. We can insert the corresponding MiniMads SD card and click Export again, and so on until the 28 screens are exported to the MiniMads. Plug them on the same network and voila, the synchronization happens.